So hi guys, in this video I want to quickly show you how you can register to have a broker account, a Forex broker account, and then have it linked to your MT5 and basically start doing your analysis and then place your trade. So the first thing, you have to select the broker that you're using. For synthetic indices, you can use the Deriv broker. For currency pairs, you can use either the SNES or Access Markets. Okay, but for this example, we're using the Deriv broker, which is a synthetic indices broker. So the first thing that you need to do is to click sign up, input your country of origin, and then click sign up. And now you input your email for this. We're going to be using this email as AMMYESE group at gmail.com. Okay, and then you basically click next, wait for it to load, and now you have to wait for a code to verify your email. Okay, now we have our code 279891 279891. Good. So I believe the next thing is for you to create any password that you like. Okay, but of course I'm not using this account, so I can basically input anything. All right, so you click create account, and there you have it. So try real trading, or you can try with demo. Since you are a newbie, I don't want to go through the process of verifying your details and all that. So you can try out with a demo account, which is this. Now you have to have this account linked to your MT5. And how do you do that? You have to first click CFDs, and then you select either the real account or the demo account. But for this video, let's try using a demo account. Okay, you can either use a swap free, a zero spread account, or a standard account. But I do advise the standard account for newbies to some extent before you go into either the zero spread or the swap free. Okay, so let's click standard, and then we'll have to click activate, and then you choose any password. You can either use the same password or use any other thing that is you can remember, and then you click continue, and there you have it. So click view account, and then now I have to have this standard account linked to my MT5, because it's your MT5 that I use to place your trade, your buy or your sell positions. You basically place them on your MT5. So you click trade, and then you click MetaTrader 5 app. Okay, most times it just links automatically, but sometimes you have to input it manually. So okay, for this it will go automatically, so I have to input manually. So I click new account, I go back, copy the server, input here, which is the company. Okay, you can see deriv.com limited, which is for demo accounts. And then now I copy the login ID, but I don't advise you share your login ID with anyone. Of course, I'm not using this account, so I can input it here. So I basically put the password that I used while trying to get the demo account, and then I click go. Okay, so there you have it. Your $10,000 is here. So you can go to quotes and delete all this, because this is a synthetic indices account. So I basically select synthetic indices pairs, and then I'm good. So I basically open any of the charts, and I can start analysis and all that. Okay, so get your account registered. You can use this same process to register for your currency pairs broker. Remember, you don't use a synthetic indices broker to trade currency pairs. Okay, if you want to trade currency pairs, you can use XNS, SS Market, and all that. But for synthetic indices pair, you can use the Deriv or spreaders market to, get access to your synthetic indices pairs. So register with your broker, connect it with your MT5, and then start trading. You're welcome.